Oh, good morning. Welcome back to the Oasis and the Tavern. It was a busy day yesterday. I got all the plum trees pruned, got them all shredded down, and when I was finishing up my shredding, broke my shredder. Bit of a bummer. I have to order some parts up for it and get it repaired. It's a bit of a drag. Today is Saturday, August 15th. August 15th, 2020. And life is not too bad. Got a few more things done towards the deck. Had to replace some boards and missed measurements, but that's life. And got some harvesting done, got some cleanup done, got some organization done. All in all, it was productive. Not as productive as I wanted it to be, but it was productive nonetheless. Anyway, we're going to give you a show, walk you around, take a look at what's done. Should be some nice video of the pruning of the plum trees. So let's take a look-see, and without much further ado, let's go wander around the Oasis real quick this morning, then let's get it opened and get started. Okay, now cleaned up this area completely, starting it off. Got the grass patio, got some really nice grass, cut the grass, pruned up the plum trees that were growing crazy on the plum stumps that we're going to be turning into tables. Cleaned up this area here real well. Harvested some lemon cucumbers. They're really a tasty cucumber. Got a whole bunch more down there. Let's see. There we go. Yeah, it's putting out cucumbers galore. Tomatoes everywhere. Haven't done really anything to the compost bin. Uh-oh. Might have Verona. Yeah. Not. There, we got this plum tree here, all pruned up, all pruned and cleared. Harvested most of the rest of the onions from within and around the corn. Got quite a few onions from that. Left the ones that had gone to seed. I want to see if I can collect some seed from the onions in there. Chamomile's doing really well. Echinacea's doing good. Took a couple of zucchinis. Took a big one, took a small one, and a small one with dinner. Do something with the big one when I get home. Oh, looks like we got some red peppers down over that way. Let's see, there it is. Nice red pepper. That'd be the hot taco pepper. See how that goes. There's the deck. It's doing really, really well. We're going to be putting sheeting up on it this morning. That'll be start laying the sheeting for it. Those are getting to be pretty big spaghetti squashes. Got two of them there. I got to see about storage for them, how to store them. So much to learn, so little time to get it done. I need to get these videos up for people to maybe help them out or inspire them. We don't have a lot of time, folks, to be properly prepared. It's August 2020, and if you haven't prepared in this month here, it might be too late after this month. Let's see if I can get these videos up this next week. I'm so far behind. I have to. Everything, all of them cleaned up. Harvested some potatoes. Harvested the red potatoes. We got a decent number of red potatoes. Nothing near as what I thought I should get, but that's what I get. I planted them incorrectly. Turns out you don't want to plant that many plants in one bin. Strawberries. My kids, my grandkids fighting over which ones they get as they ripen, because it's just not a whole lot there. Got cucumbers starting in on that vine down there. Snap peas, this batch here is reaching the end of life. Onions, I'm going to leave the ones in here for a little while longer. I'm not going to harvest these red ones. We'll let these ones get bigger. Garlic, it looks like I'll probably be harvesting garlic next week. Brussels sprouts, doing well. On the whole, we got a few meals out of the garden this year. Not enough to live on unless you're a single person. One single person might be able to live on what the garden produced this year. But a lot of it's due to how it was planted, when it was planted, when it was started. You know, there's only so much you can get done. And you got to remember is that while vegetables are important to your diet, without the right ones, you won't get enough food to survive. You might get enough to survive. But at any rate, that's everything in the Oasis right now. We're going to have a lot of tomatoes coming up real soon. So it's important. Stock things up. Rice, flour, beans. Those are important. And I saw somewhere that, growing beans, if you got to grow enough beans to store for yourself, takes a lot of bean space. So, got to be judicious. Peas, though, doesn't take a lot of space to produce a lot of peas. Shelling peas or something, and I understand pound for pound, peas provide a lot of protein. So, let's see what we can get. Sleeves, cussing and fussing, they don't hear no pleas, cruising for a bruising on their Hellcat and spree.